up? It's Amazon AMA to the Z of freaking N, and welcome back to my channel. I'm bringing you guys another video today, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you're an old viewer, you've been viewing my videos without subscribing, what are you waiting for, honey? Can you tell me? Because I'm trying to listen. I'm trying so hard to listen right now. Okay, but if you're new, please subscribe. Give this video a huge thumbs up while we dive straight into today's video. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you my DIY scrub exfoliating recipe. Okay, now the recipe is what I use for my lips and of course my face as well. All right, I'm going to practically show you guys how I make this scrub, and this scrub is literally going to change your life because it's just a 3-ingredient scrub that you need to change your entire skin care life. You could use this scrub on your face, on your skin, on your entire body, your lips as well. And of course, you don't have to be scared about your eyebrows because they ain't going nowhere, so you can scrub those eyebrows as well, right? Alright, so let's dive straight into today's video. I'll share with you the processes that I use and also the end results. Come with me. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. I try to make small quantities, okay, because you don't want, like, if you know what I mean, you don't need to leave DIY scrubs overnight. You don't want them staying overnight. Even if it's in your fridge, it's not supposed to stay overnight. Just make something that you can use right now and exhaust it at the moment. So to get started, I had to bring this. This is a bowl of hot water, okay, and I had to soak my towel in it because I don't have a steamer. Everything here is just DIY. So this is like a face steamer. I'm going to use this hot towel to steam my face. Okay, my exposure is going crazy because of the sun. I'm going to use the hot towel to steam my face, all right, just to prep my skin and my pores. Okay, so that's a hot towel. I'm just gonna put that on my face. I'm just trying to prep my skin to soften up, open up my pores a bit so that the exfoliation can do better. It's just the same way you would have used your face steamer and then get the steam onto your skin. I'm using this hot towel, okay? All right, so now that my face has been prepped, I'm going to take this, exfoliating scrub that I just created. Then I'm going to apply it straight onto my skin. Okay, so I'm done applying the scrub all over my face, all right? I'm just going to start scrubbing. I'm holding this because I don't want it to like pour all over the place. Don't worry, my hands are clean from the hot water, and then I'm going to scrub. Okay, so after 5 minutes, you leave it on for 5 minutes, okay? I've scrubbed for over 3 minutes, seriously. Just scrubbing for 3 minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my hot towel, okay? Pull it out. Okay, so this feels a lot better. Like, my skin feels a whole lot better. Okay guys, so I'm done washing off my face. So this is what my face looks like right now, and to be sincere, this was actually a very, very effective method because all the whiteheads and the white patches I had around this part of my face are actually all, they've been gotten rid of. Okay, so this is my face feeling so soft and smooth right now. I still have a bit here, if you can see. Yeah, I think you can see I have some whiteheads here. I'm not going to try to poke. Tomorrow I'll do it again, and on this part of my face too, but on this part, boom, we did that. So the next thing I want to do is I'll just tone I'm using the Afrolicious Rose Water Hydrate and Refresh. This is your rose water, so I'm using that to tone my skin. Okay, so next thing I'm going to use here is my grapeseed oil. Please feel free to use any oil of your choice that you normally use, okay, to hydrate your skin. So I'm going to use this, moisturize my lip with this Beyond Beauty lip gloss. This is a green tea lip gloss, so I'll just use it to moisturize my lip. Okay, and that's the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll just go straight into the next video I want to film. I'll definitely share with you guys. Okay, it's a story time video, but it's a get ready with me video. I'm going to do my makeup. I'm all dressed up, but you guys will see that in the next video. Okay, bye.